In recent years, drugs, pesticides and heavy metals, also known as emerging contaminants, have become the greatest concern and have been the most widely studied by researchers. These contaminants can be present in the water sources mainly from domestic and industrial wastewater discharge, food, and ground application of manure. Besides, there were lack of awareness among people on the impact of improper disposal of unused or expired pharmaceutical drugs, pesticides, cosmetic products, and metal stuffs used in daily life into the garbage dump or toilet bowls. Once these contaminants were improperly dumped down, they will end up in the water sources such as ocean, river, and lake, affecting the marine and wildlife. Toxins from these accumulated contaminants will be absorbed from food and water sources, entering the food chain and eventually put human health at risk. The most common sample preparation technique for the determination of contaminants in water samples is solid phase extraction (SPE). In SPE, solid stationary phase will act as a sponge to absorb the contaminants by extracting the analytes from the water samples. The absorbed analytes will be injected to liquid chromatography for the detection and quantification. Carbon is one of the most common elements found in living organisms. The atoms of carbon can bond together in diverse ways, resulting of various allotropes of carbon such as graphite, diamond, fullerene and carbon nanotubes. This carbon-based nanomaterials have been successfully applied as the sorbent material in SPE for the determination of chemical contaminants in water samples. Due to their efficiencies in extracting analytes and easy to be incorporated with other potential materials, we invented these carbon-based extraction kit. These carbon-based extraction kit comprises of centrifuge tube in various sizes with carbon-based extraction sorbent in the form of film or powder to facilitate the process of extraction at the sampling site. These carbon-based extraction kit provide a vastly simplified sample preparation techniques for the analysis of chemical contaminants in water samples. It is rapid, portable, easy, efficient, rugged and safe to be used during sampling and extraction process. Besides, we also provide several types of carbon-based composite materials according to the suitability of the selected analytes. Consultation on choosing the right sorbent will also be provided. This innovation supports the 21st century national policy on water resources conservation and management to ensure adequate and safe water supply for all Malaysians.